Hi friends, this video shows how to open battery cover of Google TV Streamer 4K remote controller. See, this is a remote controller of Google TV Streamer 4K. See, I am going to open this battery cover. So here, just with the thumb, we can just press here, then pull down. See, this way we can open the battery cover. Let me remove these batteries. See, let me put these batteries back. See, these are AAA batteries. Done. Let me close this cover. We can close like this. Done. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.